Looking for a simple and impressive Independence Day speech in English? Let's begin. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, I feel honored to stand before you to speak on the occasion of India's 79th Independence Day. Every year on the 15th of August, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the day when India became free from British rule in 1947. This freedom was achieved through the courage, sacrifice, and determination of countless freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhas Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others. Our national flag, the Tiranga, reminds us of the values of courage, peace, and prosperity. The Ashoka Chakra at the center represents truth, progress, and justice. As students, we can serve our nation by studying sincerely, respecting our country, protecting the environment, following the law, and helping others. Small actions by responsible citizens can make India stronger and better. Let us always be proud of our nation and work together for a brighter future. May we continue to uphold the values of unity, peace, and patriotism. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Subscribe now for more school-ready speeches, essays, and study notes. Thanks for watching and happy Independence Day.